In this video, I am going to show you how to install Sublime Text, a free code editor for Windows. The method is simple, so watch through to the end of this video and subscribe to this channel for more. So the first thing to do if you want to install Sublime Text is to obviously make sure you are connected to the internet and search for Sublime Text in your preferred web browser. When the results are ready, what you want to look for is the first link that appears, which is sublimetext.com. Do not worry, I will leave a link to that website in the description box below. Click on the link to open this web page. From the opened web page, you can see this download for Windows button, and also at the top here you can also see another download hyperlink, any of which you click will download Sublime Text to your device for free. Here you can see Windows, Mac and Linux, meaning Sublime Text is a cross-platform program, so which any device you are using, you can still use the link in the description to download the code editor. So just click on the download for Windows button and you would be redirected to a download page which would automatically begin the download of Sublime Text to your PC. As the download is still continuing, when you scroll down a bit, you can see some other resources pertaining to Sublime Text which you might be interested in. After the download has been completed, just close or minimize the web browser and open the Files Explorer on your Windows device and locate the Downloads folder. In the Downloads folder, you can see the Sublime Text setup. So just double click on it to launch the setup. In the setup process, you would be asked to choose a destination folder for the Sublime Text application, but just leave it auto-generated or as default and select Next. But you can see you need about 54 megabytes of free space, so take note of that. In the next process, you would also be asked if you want to add an additional task for Sublime Text, but I recommend you leave it as it is and click on Next again to continue the installation process. Now when you have everything in place, just select Install to begin the installation. When the installation has been completed, just click on Finish and minimize the Files Explorer. You can see the icon hasn't been added to the desktop, so search for Sublime Text in the search bar on the taskbar and open it. After the Sublime Text has been launched, you can see this interface. It might look empty, but in subsequent videos, I am going to talk more on how to edit it to make it code friendly. But before I wrap up, the reason why you see unregistered on the title bar of the application is because we installed the free version of Sublime Text, but more on that in subsequent videos. I would be leaving 2 videos on the end screen which might be useful to you. Check them out. See you next time. Peace out. And remember to subscribe to this channel.